Hi everyone, me again, coming to you from the Nantahala Whitewater Center today. This is May 5th, 2023, my anniversary, and my lovely wife and I are here on our taking some time off from our busy schedule in Atlanta to come up here and spend a little bit of time. As you can see, the Whitewater Center is off to our left, nice restaurant straight ahead, and over to the right some more restaurants and places to stay, campgrounds. The train, if you want to ride the train, there's a train that comes all the way down through here and goes back out. That's kind of cool. But you might like to see the river. This is the one time that the Olympics were held here one year, and I don't know what year it was, but the whitewater portion of it was held here. Because you can see all the gates and all the weird stuff they've got. We don't have anybody out here practicing right now, but I'm sure they will at some time. Okay, well, we're getting ready to go. She's already gone, so I guess I'll go now and try to catch up to her. But this is the Nantahala Gorge, part of it, and we come here quite a bit. So we come here and spend some time and get off, sit there and look at the river. I video the river quite a bit, and sometimes when we're just goofing off, we'll just sit there and do that. There she is. She waited for me. I don't see anybody out there right now, but there'll be rafters on this. There'll be rafting buses and all up and down this road all day long, especially as the weather warms up a little bit. The water's not quite so cold, or at least the air isn't. But as you can see, it's beautiful through here. This is how we actually come in from the Atlanta area. This is Highway 74. Jump onto it around Murphy somewhere, before Murphy actually, and come in that way. But, it's a really nice area. They do have some slides here occasionally. One year the road was partially blocked. We had to deal with that, but so far so good, as far as I know. We'll find out when we get up here a little farther. I'll show you where the slide area was. Yep, don't see anybody on the river yet. We saw some people when we came in a couple days ago, but right now I don't see a soul. That doesn't mean they're not out there. You got little places where you can pull off and walk down to the water. One area, I've done a lot of videoing, there's a large concrete landing area where people sometimes stop and take out their kayaks or their canoes or whatever they happen to be in. Nothing but rafting places around here. She's going to pull over because we got some people behind us. She doesn't like to be followed. But see a little footbridge right there. Can't see much of it, but there it is. See if I can get behind her again. They do guided fly fishing here as well. How about that? Houses around here. There's some oldies on the right, some oldies on the left. Used to be a place where you could get peanuts there. I don't think that's ever been open in all the time we've come down here. I think that building was abandoned a long time ago. Now we go up here a little ways and the river is going to cross under the road, or the road will cross over the river, however you want to look at it. Right after that, we'll be turning on the way haul, and I'll stop this recording and start the way haul recording. I always like to record way haul road. I'm not pronouncing it right, but that's the way I do it anyway. That's how I remember it. But it's one of the best roads around here, I think. It gives you everything. You've got switchbacks, you've got scenery, you've got riding along beside the river, you've got tree tunnels. You've got valleys that you go through. You've got a big lake that you ride around. And when you get to the far end of it, you're in the town of Franklin. You can stop and get a drink, some gas, whatever. They got a 5-star restaurant there if you want to eat a really nice meal. And really nice. So, anyway, I like this road. This is a very, very highly traveled road right here, 74, as you can imagine. Lots of big trucks. A little closed bridge going across. Lots of big trucks come through here. Met a logging truck just a little while ago before I started videoing. And then it's a very popular place. It's always cool down here with the river right there and with the shade. So if it's a hot summer day, it's fun to come here and you sit there and go out and put your feet in the water and enjoy the day. Now right on the other side of the river are the railroad tracks. I mentioned the train. There's a sightseeing train. I don't know if it starts in Bryson City or if this is the one that starts in Etowah. I don't know. But it's you can ride the train. It dead ends here. It stops, you can get out, walk around a little bit, and then you get back on it and go. It actually reverses back up the track, or it reverses down the track. I don't know which way it goes. I think there's an engine on each end, so it doesn't really matter, does it? But you catch a couple of glimpses of the track over there. We're a little bit early for the train. I think the train comes through here about 1 o'clock, something like that. It's only 11:30 in the morning. We got started a little bit early today because we've got a possibility of some rain coming in tonight. And for the next couple of days, this may be our last good day. We've had 2 gorgeous days. Today we're hoping will be our 3rd one, and then there's a higher probability of rain for the next 4 or 5 days. Or that's not an issue. We have rain suits. We don't much like to ride in the rain, especially when the temperatures are in the 50s and 60s. But we'll do it. We've done it before. Alrighty. Well, I'll be getting to the end of this pretty soon, so I'll wrap this up. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll see you back on when we do way haul. Take care. Bye.